Hello my dear friends, today we are going to learn something very new called Duino mining. Let me tell you the website first. Let me tell you something overview about the Duinocoin before starting the mining. So here you can see Duinocoin, the website of the official Duinocoin. So what is Duinocoin? Duinocoin, like it's an it's just made up for the mining purposes only, and basically it just as here is also mentioned, it's founded in 2019 and is for fun. Fully original crypto coin project developed by a team of young developers. Energy efficiency mining. As I said, this coin, Duinocoin, is specifically only made for the mining purposes only. But also, right now, this Duinocoin did something very incredible for the you can say for the phone user. There is not very much coin or not very much cryptocurrency that are right now supporting the phone mining. You can mine the crypto, but on your laptop, or if you have some specific hardware or CPU, GPU, then only you can mine your cryptocurrencies. But here on the Duinocoin, you can mine the cryptocurrency on your phone, and some applications support the mining in Android too. But this Duinocoin is the only crypto project that is supporting the mining in iOS device. Your Apple device is like Duinocoin can support. So that's why this Duinocoin is you can say some revolution that are making it, and you can mine your crypto, the Duinocoin, on your iOS or your Android too. So let's get started. So if you have if you don't have make any Duinocoin account, then firstly you can make your Duinocoin account. Then you can see here Duinocoin web miner, or you can also directly navigate to it. So here after clicking it, here you can see Duinocoin username, mining thread, and all that, and you can see the start mining button, and here you see something. So after you make your account, you will given a username of the Duinocoin mining. So I have make the Duinocoin mining for the username, like it's this, and I have this. Okay, so this is the key and this is the username. But all these things are optional. It's not needed professionally. Like if you can add it whenever you want, but right now we are doing it simply. So after clicking the start mining button, you can see my hash rate is slowly increasing. My hash rate will continuously increase to some more, but right now it is this. So you can see this mining is started. You can able to see that accepted share is continuously increasing with 0% rejection rate. So nodes and latency are continuously all is stable and continuously increasing this accepted share. So you can see the thread 1, 2, 3 and 4 are continuously increasing their hash rate speed. So the mining is started. The mining is actually started on your web browser, and you will continuously get your Duinocoin on your wallet address. Like you can see Duinocoin web wallet. Whenever you will create your account, you will automatically attach it, you will automatically get your Duinocoin wallet address by just signing up on your Duinocoin account. So whenever you signing, you will automatically get your web wallet. So let me here we have accepted 28 share. So let me go to the web wallet. We absolutely this is my account for the Duino, and let's log in it. So you can see here I am able to get 0.25 Duinocoin. You can see 0.25 DUCO is just mining, the mining process is just starting, maybe 1 or max to max 2 minutes, just 1 minute, or maybe a max to max 2 minutes is just. And here you can see I can able to see the 0.25 Duinocoin on my web wallet. So yeah, it's very incredible and good. Also you can see some if you have more miners, then you can also see, or if you want to change your Duino, you can here also you can see 0.25 Duino. You are you may able to see once you start your mining, you will continuously see that kind of transaction on your here transaction list. And also if you want to send to someone, then you can send to someone. Here you can see receipt or amount that you want. The minimum is maybe D20, I don't know, but the minimum Duinocoin, let me see, is it yeah, you can send the minimum 1 Duinocoin to the one. And here is the memo, you can send a Duinocoin to any exchange that are supported, any action, maybe Phantom or Pettigate, or I don't know which wallet address or which exchange is supporting the Duino, but whatever exchange is supporting this Duinocoin, you can try, or you can send Duinocoin to that exchange, and you can after you can exchange to the other cryptocurrency, or if you want, then you can also send it to the stable coins. And here you can see my how many device I am right now are mining this Duinocoin from my account. So right now only one device is mining from my account. You remember the Morvin 7, that the username, so that's the account. And right now I maybe mining is stopped because I removed the web browser, so that's why maybe the mining is stopped. So here you can also can see all the miner status, which miner is running, which miner is stopped, and how many miners are there, and so on. And here you can see some, so here are some popular exchange. So yeah, you can here also see the popular exchange. The PancakeSwap, these are the most the most good for the crypto exchanges. And SushiSwap is the also good for the crypto exchange. So this this all are the decentralized wallet. Basically these all are the decentralized wallet. This is completely different from the hot exchanges such as Binance or Bitcoin. That is totally different, and these are totally, you can say, the proper decentralized wallet. Maybe this kind of thing is supporting the DeFi, the finance system also, but right now it's a decentralized, so you can see. So I hope you like video. So see you in very.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.